Now let's take a look at the markets picture, kicking things off with the JSE. A mixed picture back home as resources continue to make gains, while the international tech rout hits Tencent, which has filtered through to Naspers process, further weighing on industrials. And with that, we are seeing the industrials taking the biggest loss. They're down over 1%. Also in the red is the financial 15 shedding 0.8%. As I mentioned, their resources, what really is pushing the JSE higher, up 2.6%, and that leading to 0.25% jump in the all share. Now over in the US, a similar picture playing out there. Trade really choppy as investors continued to move out of tech shares ahead of Alphabet's earnings. Looking at the macros, the private sector added 22,000 jobs last month, surprising to the downside and further raising concerns about the US labor market. With that, we are seeing the Nasdaq taking a knockdown close to 0.5%. Trading in the opposite direction, however, is the Dow Jones, gaining 0.78%. The S&P 500 in the meantime pretty flat, but making it into the green, gaining 0.04%. Across the Atlantic, markets seem to be shrugging off the AI concerns, with the FTSE 100 hitting a record high today. Meanwhile, investors in Europe digesting numbers out from Ozempic maker Novo Nordisk. And as we can see, markets mostly in the green on that end, with the FTSE leading the gains up 1.4%. The French CAC 40 gaining 1.3%. The German DAX pretty in the red, yes, losing 1/3%. Now let's take a look at what's playing out on the currency scene. The local unit back above 16 to the dollar. We are seeing it losing some steam today against some of its major global peers, and this despite the Purchasing Managers Survey showing improved business conditions here at home. The dollar to the rand at 16, the pound to the rand at 21.89, and the euro to the rand at 18.91. Now let's take a look at your other currency pairs. The euro to the dollar trading flat at 1.18. The pound to the dollar at 1.36, stronger on that end, and the dollar yen pair weaker, close to 157.